Hey, all right, my turn. Oh, man, what do you say about tonight, huh? Crazy evening. Just a rundown of some of the places that have been evacuated. Some of those buildings evacuated. Some of the country rehabs evacuated. They evacuated churches and hospitals. Also, let you know that the National Cross has set up an evacuation center at Northside High School. If you are going to be evacuated,
I thought you meant back, because that would be illogical. You'd be across the bridge, Danny.
Yeah, I know. When I got...
Let me tell you, I know we have a really desperate situation going here in portions of Cummins, in Johnson County and Franklin. Have you seen any of the video? This tornado actually was in the evening last night. That expired at midnight, but we have thunderstorms that started, I think, around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning locally, and boy, we just had what they call that training effect of thunderstorms along the same path. I would say maybe Jackson County up to north of Indianapolis to Hamilton County. All those areas, just one thunderstorm after another all night long.
This is the Tech Center in Columbus.
All of our engines are going to be flooded. They're all downstairs. All the prototypes are downstairs.
I hope Cummins has flood insurance.
Not sure if I'll be going to work Monday.
It's plant 1 over there. This is State Street by plant 1.
I rushed to town because she was stuck in town. And I asked her to head back to work. Wow. No, I'm getting people on the same. They're in the bucket.
That's why they let them go across there.
So there's people over on the roof of the Mariah place.
The what place? Tech Center.
Oh my gosh.
2 Cummins buildings got flooded.
Minds are working here, and I'm sure we'll be going to all the doors to help us. Yeah. I do understand that. Again, just a very, very desperate situation.
What street is this? It's Hope and Mapleton Avenue. It's a houseboat out in the middle of Columbus. I think it just floated there. It's like resting on a power pole.
Did you hear about the water board?
going to be a long night in Columbus and Bartholomew County River in the Nobbit Park areas. So if as these areas continue to be evacuated, there are 2 evacuation centers set up at this point, middle school, and that one is in Maple, back to 27, and the second one.
Look how high that's gotten again.
Side, since the city seems to be pretty much divided by Hall Creek, because it's out of its banks. On the east side, Columbus East High School is the newest center that is open, and the Red Cross will be on hand there to help out people in those areas. If you have an emergency situation, by all means, call 911.